Variable frequency drives, or VFD, make controlling the speed of three-phase AC motors a breeze, but they can break down and can damage or destroy the controlled motors. VFD controls an electric motor using a pulsed voltage signal of varying frequency, which is usually hard to measure due to a significant harmonic component. Fortunately, MD9273 boasts a special low-pass filter that enables accurate measurement of the frequency and voltage of the control voltage signal. All that needs to be done is compare the result on the clamp meter with the one on the VFD's display. If they match, all is good and well. If they don't, the variable frequency drive should be looked into as soon as possible. Time is money.